Over the weekend, the second of 4 European citizens' panels met in Florence, the birthplace of Europe's Renaissance, as part of the Conference on the Future of Europe. It was the third and final meeting for the panel of some 200 Europeans, with some participants dialing in remotely from across Europe. The panel concentrated on many issues, including the way forward for European democracy, EU integration and fundamental rights. They divided into smaller groups to get to grips with specific topics, and then voted on their recommendations at the end of the weekend. One of the topics was how to make sure that all Europeans feel part of the European project. They recommended enhancing citizen participation in EU decision-making, including through citizens' assemblies to be set up alongside existing EU bodies.
Sepamos cómo poder canalizar esa energía de los ciudadanos para poder llegar a convertirse en propuestas reales y que permitan desde una forma de hacer que los políticos cumplan con sus programas políticos.
A key concern was the need to defend European values. The panelists recommended changing the budget conditionality mechanism. Currently, member states are sanctioned if their breaches of the rule of law affect the EU budget. Citizens recommended all rule of law violations be sanctioned.
There are member states who are part of the Union who are not following the rules. And I think this union could only work if everyone is following the rules that we all set together.
Citizens also drew up conclusions for how to tackle discrimination in the EU.
The issue I'm more concerned is gender equality and work-life balance, because I think that in many countries, one is Italy, where I come from, there is a big need of rules and of an equal distribution of the burden of work.
One of their suggestions was to set up anti-discrimination quotas for vulnerable groups in the workplace. Companies who meet these quotas would have access to subsidies or tax breaks. Jorge, Joy and Valentina are among 20 citizen representatives in this panel who will present the panel's conclusions at the next plenary session of the conference in the European Parliament in Strasbourg. The recommendations will feed into a final report, which EU institutions then have to follow up on.